Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine. Last time we have discussed the effect of this pollution on animals and human beings. Today we will proceed further and we will take one of the secondary pollutant, that is the photochemical smog. That is photochemical smog. This photochemical smog की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it is the example of secondary pollutant. It is formed in mainly in the what we call as the metropolitan cities. या हम एक बात भी कहेंगे in the congested cities. हम ये बात भी कहेंगे in the traffic congested cities, traffic congested cities where this photochemical smog is found, and it is mainly made up of, अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, अगर हम इसकी कंपोजिशन की बात कर लेंगे, it is mainly made up of ozone, it is mainly made up of PAN, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate, and it is made up of oxides of nitrogen. Now, this chemical smog or photochemical smog, it is formed in what we call as the warm conditions. It is formed in warm conditions. It is formed in warm condition, which is caused by the solar radiations, and that is called as this photochemical smog. It is then known as the brown air. So it is formed in warm conditions by the intense solar conditions, and it is called as the brown air, and it is mainly formed, अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, it is mainly formed by the reaction between the primary pollutants, like, अगर हम बात करेंगे इसमें हम कौन कौन से एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, लाइक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, like nitrous oxide in the presence of what we call as sunlight. Nitrous oxide की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it is formed by the incomplete oxidation of nitrogen inside the engine of automobile. So what happens there? NO plus incomplete combustion of this, and what will be found? NO2, that is inside the incomplete in automobiles. So this smog is formed by the reaction between the primary pollutants like hydrocarbons and nitrous oxide in the presence of sunlight. Nitrous oxide की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it is formed by the incomplete oxidation inside the engine of the automobile. Now this NO2 in presence of sunlight, वहां पर हम देखते हैं अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन जो होती है, it gives us nitrous oxide plus O, nascent oxygen. Now O जो होता है, it combines with the nascent oxygen, it combines with the what we call as this oxygen molecule which is present there to form the ozone. Nitrous oxide, it then combines with this ozone to form the nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen molecule. अब हाइड्रोकार्बन जो होता है प्लस नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड प्लस ऑक्सीजन जो होता है, दे कंबाइन टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस पैन. और वो पैन बना देता है. So what happens in this reaction completely? This nitrous oxide, it undergoes in complete combustion in the automobile to form the nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide in presence of the ultraviolet radiation of sunlight to give the nitrous oxide plus nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen, it combines with the oxygen of the air to form the ozone. Ozone and nitrous oxide combine together to form the nitrogen dioxide plus this oxygen molecule. Now the hydrocarbons plus nitrous oxide plus oxygen molecule, they form the nitrogen dioxide plus PAN. Now this what we call as this photochemical smog की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, it is known both, इसका इफेक्ट जो है एडवर्स इफेक्ट अगर हम इसका देखेंगे both on plants as well as the animals. So it adversely affect the plants and animals. Now proceed further. We will now study the effect of air pollutants on plants. Effect of air pollutants on या air pollution on plants. अब जो हम देखते हैं first one, what we will see, fluorides which are present in the air, they cause fluorides which are present there, they cause chlorosis, they cause necrosis, and they cause abscission of leaves. This is the first. Fluorides which are present in the air, they cause chlorosis, they cause ultimately death, and then they may cause abscission of the leaves. Second अगर हम देखेंगे, अभी हमने बात की photochemical smog, PCS. Photochemical smog जो होता है, it causes necrosis of leaves. It causes necrosis of leaves. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स दे वो क्या करते हैं, दे लेड टू द premature leaf fall, as well as we will see what we call as there is the fruit drop, that is the abscission of fruits, fruit drop abscission, or there is the abscission of the leaves. So fluorides which are present in the air, they cause chlorosis, they cause necrosis, they cause abscission of the leaves. Photochemical smog, it causes the necrosis of the leaves. Hydrocarbons, they may cause the premature leaf fall and they may cause fruit drop. Fourth हमारे पास एक और है, that we see, जो हमारे पास what we call as the particulate, what we call as the, we have got the particulate matter, जो हमारे पास, we have got the soot, we have got this smoke, they settles on the leaves. They settles on the leaves. When they settle on the leaves, they reduces the rate of photosynthesis. They reduce the rate of photosynthesis. So particulate matter like soot and smoke, they settled on the leaves and they reduces the rate of photosynthesis. एक और हमारे पास अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इसमें, what we will see in case of the effect of, what we will see, sulfur dioxide जो होता है, when it is present in the air, it causes chlorosis. It causes chlorosis, which ultimately led to the necrosis. It causes what we call as membrane damage. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इस हम कहते हैं जो yield जो होती है, there is the reduction in the yield. Reduction in yield. अगर ज्यादा सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड मौजूद होगा, हाई कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, इट कॉजेज ऑल्सो क्लोरोसिस. खैर अब हम नाइट्रोजन जो होते हैं ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दोज ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन? Oxides of nitrogen, how do they affect? What is their role कि वो कैसे इफेक्ट कर लेते हैं? नाइट्रोजन जो ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन जो होते हैं, दे कॉज लीजेंस, दे कॉज necrosis, they cause what we call death of many plants. These now अगर हम बात कर लेंगे ओजोन की, ओजोन का हम देखते हैं इट हैज गॉट ए वेरी इफेक्ट. इट मेनली डिस्ट्रॉयज द क्लोरेनकाइमा. इट डिस्ट्रॉयज क्लोरेनकाइमा cell. It destroys क्लोरेनकाइमा and it what we call as it produces necrotic areas. It produces necrotic areas. So these are some of the effects of the air pollutants on plants. In the next video we will proceed further and we will continue our topic on this what we call as this air pollution. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.